I'm just going to spray some Windex on here just to make sure that we get a good cling onto this. It's nice to have it clean. So I'm just going to get this nice and scrubbed up here. All right. So I have, this is almost all water. I just put a couple drops of dish soap in it because that will just help it slide and squeegee out the bubbles a little bit better when we're done. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all sprayed. And I have one for both of these sunroofs, for the front and the back, and it's one continuous design. All right. So I'm just going to peel the film off of the back of this. Just makes it a lot easier if you keep it really wet. Okay, so just keep it very nice and moist. Sometimes you can spray this thing directly too. And it does help to have an extra set of hands. Yeah, and the wetter you have this, the easier it is to slide around. So you want to keep it really nice and wet. And now you just need to get a credit card to squeegee this out. And then we're just going to squeeze out all the excess water, air bubbles, whatever's in there, and it will be perfectly flush the whole way through. So you can see these are the bubbles that we're trying to get out here. So you can see they just push right out. Very nice and easy.